Welcome once again to Seagull International weekly live session where we discuss exciting recruitment opportunities and overseas placement. I am Jyoti Das Thakkar, AGM at Seagull International, and I'm thrilled to be joined by Mr. Lalit Moria, our General Manager. But before we dive into today's opportunity, let's take a moment to revisit Seagull's incredible success stories. For over 40 years, Seagull has been a cornerstone in overseas recruitment industry, establishing itself as one of India's largest and most workforce provider. In less than 4 decades, we have built a reputation for excellence, providing top-tier talent to organizations around the world. As an ISO certified global human resource consultant, Seagull is recognized and approved by Ministry of External Affairs and Government of India, ensuring compliances with highest industry standards and government regulation. While our headquarters is based in Mumbai, we also have our branches in Pan India, which is in Kochi, New Delhi, Baroda, Chennai, Vizag, Kolkata. We also have our international presence, which is in Sri Lanka, Dubai, Kuwait, Nepal, Qatar, Sweden, Lithuania, and UK. Now, I would like you to introduce you to our newly launched job portal, seagalljobsforyou.com. Simply scan the QR code on your screen and land on your dream job. Now, I would like you to add yourself on our Facebook page since we are digitally very sound. So, our page is on Facebook. The process is simple. Just scan the QR code on your screen and land our Facebook page. In these social media pages, we keep updating about our recruitment drive, the senior positions we are hiring, the junior positions we are conducting an interview offline, online. So all the recruitment related information we keep updating on our social media pages. So friends who would like to visit us, apart from this Facebook, there are multiple options, which is Telegram. So people who wish to like connect with us on Telegram, this is the option. So simply scan the QR code on your screen and Telegram page will be appear and you can stay connected with us. Next is Instagram. The process is simple as you just have to scan the QR code. Next is Seagull Staffing Group. This page is exclusive for candidates who are interested to work in Pan India. For all the domestic requirement or job related opportunity, we post in this group. So people who are interested to work in Pan India, this is the right platform for you. Simply scan the QR code and stay connected with us on a Seagull Staffing Group page. So let's dive into our first requirement, which is for Saudi Arabia. And the requirement is for a construction project, and we are hiring for pipe fabricator and pipe fitter. So since we are hiring in a bulk number, the salary is on your screen. Interested candidates should have GCC experience in oil and gas industry. Apart from the salary, which is mentioned on your screen, client will also offer free food and accommodation. Interested candidate can just walk in with the updated profile in our head office. We have a team here. They will review your profile. If it is relevant, we'll update you about the interview date. The company is similar, same, and the positions and everything is same. But this opportunity is open for Kolkata candidate also. So we have a branch in Kolkata, and you can just visit with your updated profile. And our team is there. They will update you about the interview date. Next, the same position open for Baroda candidates. Candidate who wants to visit our Baroda office for this position, they can just carry their updated profile, and we have a team there. They will review your profile. If it is relevant and matches with the client requirement, we'll surely update you about the interview date. Okay. So next is for Gulfar. This requirement is for Qatar for an oil and gas civil project. This will be an online interview and free requirement. We are not charging anything for Gulfar. So candidate who are interested to work as a construction manager, tank, project engineer, tank, mechanical tank supervisor, and environment energy. So these are the full positions we are looking for. Candidate with GCC experience in oil and gas pipeline project can apply for this job. You can a candidate who are near to Chennai, walk in with your updated profile at our Chennai office, or else you can submit your profile at sicklech.qatar@gmail.com. Next is for NBTC. This is for their oil and gas construction project. We're having this interview virtually. We are hiring for construction manager and senior cost control manager. So for construction manager, the salary offered is 18,000 AED to 20,000 AED. And for senior cost control engineer, we are offering AED 10,000 to 12,000. So this is a salary bracket based on your interview. The final salary will be offered. Candidate with experience in oil and gas construction industry can apply for this job. A short description is on your screen. If it is matches, you can submit your resume at our Kochi office, or else you can just email your profile at seagullkochi@gmail.com. Next is for Lemprel. This is a client interview on 8 September. This is a free requirement, and we are hiring for welder, fresher, fitter, fabricator, fresher. So these positions are open for fresher candidate, but we are looking for ITI or equivalent experience qualification. Candidate can walk in on 3rd and 4th September to our Mumbai office. You can so basically you can walk in till 8th September. So we have this walk-in so that we will review your profile. If it is relevant, you can come for an interview directly. So either you can submit your profile at resume at the rate seagulhr.com, or else you can walk into our office, and based on your application, we'll update you about the interview. Next is for Qatar for their free requirement, and this will be a short term project. And this will be an client interview. So, we are hiring for mobile crane operator, candidate with valid Qatar driving license and mobile crane operator certification, which is TUV, BB, or equivalent. Up to 120 ton capacity with minimum 5 years of experience, and there are some crane and similarity is on your screen. So if you have these experience, you can just walk in with your updated profile to our Kochi office. Our team will review your profile. If it is matches with the description, we will update you about the interview date. And if you want to send it on email, so the seagull kochi@gmail.com is the resume you can submit. Rest based on your profile, we'll call you, or else we'll email you on your email ID. Next is for Saudi, and this will be for a petrochemical companies for their long-term project, and we're hiring this for immediate mobilization. We are hiring for mechanical technician and millwright technician, candidate with the minimum 7 years of plant maintenance experience in oil and gas, petrochemical industry, candidate with GCC experience is mandatory for this job. Interested candidate can submit their profile at resume1@seagullhr.com. So next is for the Saudi Arabia, Qatar, and Bahrain. So this position is open for three location. So it is for basically for a project gas refineries, petrochemical, fertilizer, and shutdown operations. And will be an online interview. And we are hiring for manager construction mechanical, manager shutdown, and business development manager shutdown. So these are three positions. Candidate with 8 to 15 years of experience is required for this application. Interested candidate can submit their profile at seagullchennai.info@gmail.com. And if you are near to Chennai, just walk in with your updated profile. Our team will review your profile and they will update you about the online interview date. The position is similar for the three countries, and this is open for Kochi candidates also. So, interested candidate can walk into our Kochi branch or else just submit their profile at seagullkochi@gmail.com. Next is for Ultra Babco Qatar project. This is for their liquefied natural gas project. This is again a free requirement and for a long term project. Candidate interview will be on 8th September and the address is on your screen. This will be at the Anup Tech Baroda. So we are hiring for static equipment engineer, material engineer, turnaround quality engineer, administrator, safety officer, material coordinator. We are also hiring for API inspector, corrosion, coating inspector, instrument supervisor project, entity technician, data entry operator. So these are few positions which I have read. Rest all the position is on your screen. So interested candidate can walk in with the updated profile to our Baroda office for the shortlisting, or else you can just walk in at the time of interview, and there will be a team from our side. You can meet them directly there. The position is similar. Okay, this is a same position with additional information. We are also doing the same positions interview on 10th September at Surat, which is at SR Engineering. So, candidate who are located in Surat, they can just walk in at the SR Engineering on 10th September, and you can just meet our Seagull team there, and they will update you about how we can go ahead with the interview process. Next is for Dubai for an company which is into the constructions and finishing project. This will be an online interview and we are hiring for foreman ceramic tiles, foreman foam worker, foreman steel fixer. Candidate who have an experience in building construction project can apply for this position. If you are in Mumbai, you can just submit your profiles at resume at the rate seagulhr.com, or else if you are near to office, just walk into our head office. We have a team here. They will review your profile and update you about the online interview date. Next is again for Ultra Babco for their Dolphin Energy Shutdown project. The position hiring is in large number and we are hiring this for free. So the interview is on 8th September at Anup Tech Baroda, and the positions we are hiring for mechanical foreman, mechanical fitter, rigger, hole watcher, fire watcher, heavy transport vehicle driver, light transport vehicle driver, PTW coordinator, electrician, and instrument fitter. So, candidate with 5 to 6 years of shutdown or turnaround maintenance experience in oil and gas refinery, petrochemical plant. Preference will be given to candidate who have worked in Dolphin Energy Project or ex Dusan or Ultra candidate. So just submit your profile to our Baroda branch before the interview. So this will help you to get interviewed first at the time of interview. Or else you can just walk in at the time of interview. We have a team there. Just meet them and they will help you in having the interview smoothly. A similar position, and but this is open for Vizag also. So candidate who are located in Vizag, you can just walk into our Vizag team, our branch in Vizag, and or else you can just walk in on 19th September to the interview venue. It's on your screen, and we have a team there at the interview center. Just meet them directly. They will help you in having the interview smoothly. Next is for Gulfar for their oil and gas pipeline construction project. This is we are planning to have an interview in Mumbai and Chennai, and for that we have started the shortlisting process. So we are hiring for civil engineer, civil supervisor, painting coating superintendent, pipeline supervisor, QCI welding pipeline, and QCI coating pipeline. So these are the few positions I have read. Rest position is on your screen. Interested candidate can submit their resume at resume1 at the seagullhr.com. And if you're near to Mumbai, just walk in with your updated profile to our office. And you can also walk into our Chennai office. Just keep your profiles updated so that at the time of interview, our team will reach out to you directly. As I mentioned, this is so they have also additional profile, which is senior construction manager, senior procurement engineer, senior pipeline engineer, senior piping engineer, piping and engineers, construction superintendent, construction engineer, hydro testing, quantity surveyor, welding engineer. So these are the additional profiles which we are having an interview in both Chennai and Mumbai. So for the shortlisting, candidates can walk in with their updated profile to our Mumbai office as well as an our Chennai office. We have a dedicated team. They will review your profile. If it is relevant, matches with client job description, we will reach out to you for the interview date. So we have read this position. This is similar to what we have read earlier, but this position is open for Chennai. So interested candidate, just follow the process. Reach out to our branch. They will help you in having the interview smoothly. Similar positions we have read earlier also. So this is open for Chennai also. So next is for Dubai for a MEP Industries. This will be an immediate departure, and we are having this online interview. So interview will be on 9th September at Delhi. So we are hiring for AC ductman, AC technician, electrician, chilled pipe fitter, assistant AC duct. So candidate with UAE experience in installation, company with these experience, you can just walk into our Delhi branch. We have a team there. They will help you having this interview smoothly. Next is for Abu Dhabi for a leading catering company. This will be a virtual interview. So we are hiring for cook with catering experience, parota makers, laundry man, and butcher. These candidates should have experience in GCC country. So if you have experience in past, so you can just walk into our Chennai branch. They will update you about the virtual interview date. So next is for Saudi for an Aramco oil and gas project. This will be a free requirement and a long-term project. We're having this client interview and we are looking for Aramco approved app plus CBD. So we are hiring for QC inspector coating painting, QC inspector piping RTR, QC inspector HVAC, QC inspector plumbing. Candidate with bachelor degree or diploma in engineering in their respective discipline with minimum 5 years of experience in industrial construction, oil and gas, petrochemical, pipeline, and installation project. Candidate currently working in Saudi can also apply if they have a transferable IKAMA. So, interested candidate can submit their profile on the email address, or else you can walk into our Baroda branch. They will help you understanding this requirement, and they will also update you about the interview date. Position is exactly same, and this is open for Mumbai candidates also. Candidate who are interested in Mumbai, they can walk into our head office in Mumbai. The address is on your screen, or else you can just submit your profile at Seagull KSA 2025 at the rate gmail.com. Same positions, and it is open for Chennai, Kochi also. So, candidate who are interested for this positions in Kochi, you can just walk into our Kochi branch, or else you can submit your profile at seagullkochi at the rate gmail.com. So yeah, similar position open for Chennai also. So candidate who wants to visit, just visit with your updated profile to our Chennai branch, or else submit at seagullch.ksa at the rate gmail.com. Next is for Abu Dhabi oil and gas shutdown or maintenance project. This will be a free requirement with immediate departure. We are having this online interview. So we are hiring for mechanical technician, static equipment, and fitter mechanic statics. So salary will be around for mechanical technician, static equipment will be around 3,000 to 3,200 AED. For fitter mechanic, it will be 2,000 to 2,500 AED. So interested candidate should have GCC experience in oil and gas shutdown project. So if this matches with your current role, just submit your profile at seagullch.ua@gmail.com, or else you can walk into our Chennai branch. Next is for Abu Dhabi for their nuclear power plant maintenance project. This will be for a 2 month. This will be a free requirement and virtual interview. We are hiring for MOV AOV supervisor, MOV AOV electrical technician, INC technician, and testing technicians. Candidate with maintenance, testing, and repair of motor operative valves and air operative valves, inspections, cleaning, resemblance, testing valves, and troubleshooting. If you have these experience, you can just walk into our Chennai branch or else submit your profile at seagullcl.ue@gmail.com. Next is for NBTC for their oil and gas construction project. We're having this interview virtually. So we are hiring for engineer, structural, mechanical. We are also hiring for HSC officers, HSC engineers, camber, supervisor, metallic piping, supervisor, structural, foreman civil, foreman riggers, foreman structural, surveyor land, assistant surveyor land. So, positions along with the salary is on your screen. Candidate with GCC experience in oil and gas construction industry can apply for this job. Interested candidate can walk into any of our branch or just walk into any of our branch or else submit your profile to our email address which we have mentioned. This is also for Chennai candidate. You can submit your profile for seagullch.ua@gmail.com. So based on your profile, we'll update you about the interview date. Next is for Qatar for their oil and gas shutdown project. This will be a short-term project and will be a free requirement, and we are having this interview soon. So this will be a mobile crane operator. This we have read in earlier slides. So this position is open for Chennai candidates. Interested candidate can walk into our Chennai branch or else submit your profile at seagullch.qatar@gmail.com. Next is for Gulfar for oil and gas civil project. This will be an online interview free requirement and they are hiring for construction manager tank. This we have read in our previous slide. But these all position project engineer, mechanical tank supervisor, environment. This is open for Chennai candidates. So interested candidate can walk in to our Chennai branch. Next is for their Qatar for their online project. So we are hiring for supervisor rigger, superintendent rigger, mechanical hydraulic, mechanic cranes, mechanic diesels, crane senior technicians. So candidate with minimum 5 years of experience in oil and gas construction industry with GCC experience can submit their profile at seagullch.qatar@gmail.com or else you can walk into our branch in Chennai. Next is for Kuwait Equid shutdown project, and we're having this interview on 23rd September at our Seagull office, which is in Lead Skill Training Center in Chennai. So we are hiring for supervisors, reactor superintendent, supervisor housekeeping, supervisor ENI, valve trackers, camp boss, camp assistant, fire watcher. So these are few positions which I have read. Along with the positions, there is a salary bracket and requirement is on your screen. If these positions matches with your job role, just walk into our Chennai office or else submit your profile at seagull.kuwait@gmail.com, and our team will review your profile and they will update you. Next is for their Dubai for their light vehicle, and this will be an online interview. We are hiring for auto electrician come electrician and service advisor. So candidate with preferably UAE license they are expected. Interested candidate just walk into our head office or else submit your resume at resume1 at the rate Seagull India HR.com. Similar position open for Chennai candidates. You can either walk in or else just submit the profile on the email address mentioned below. Next is for NBTC for their online interview. We are hiring for a LED QAQC SMP, engineer QAQC mechanic, inspector QAQC mechanic, inspector QAQC civil, engineer QC structural, engineer QAQC piping, clerk technical piping. So salary is also mentioned on your screen. A candidate who are interested should have GCC experience, or else you can just walk in with your updated profile to our Chennai office, or else just submit your profile at sigalch.ua@gmail.com. So that's it from my side. We have additional requirement which Mr. Lalit will update you.
Hi friends, good afternoon and namaste. All of you wishing you a happy Onam. Okay, we will go one by one the requirement which I have. Friend, this is for Mabani company and we have this interview on 8 September और इसके इंटरव्यू 8 तारीख को हम अनुप टेक में कर रहे हैं. इसमें हमें स्ट्रक्चर फैब्रिकेटर, 3G मिक वेल्डर्स, CNC मशीन ऑपरेटर्स, एयरलेस स्प्रे पेंटर, टचअप पेंटर्स और जनरल हेल्पर्स की रिक्वायरमेंट्स है. ये काफ़ी अच्छी कंपनी है. कंपनी आपको फ्री फूड ऑफर कर रही है. इसके अलावा फ्री अकोमोडेशन, ट्रांसपोर्ट, एवरीथिंग गिवन बाय द कंपनी. और ये दुबई एम्प्लॉयमेंट वीजा मिलेंगे इसमें जो भी कैंडिडेट सेलेक्ट हो जाएंगे. सेम डे ऑफर लेटर है और नेक्स्ट डे इसकी मेडिकल है. अगर किसी को भी इंटरेस्टेड है तो ये मंडे को अनुपटेक 421 में आ सकते हैं. इसके इंटरव्यू अटेंड कर सकते हैं. Then friends, we have this requirement for Kuwait and it's for a Gulf Speak company. We have this client interview very soon in Chennai and Cochin, and we need all the candidates for their PMB department, and we need people like auto electricians, diesel mechanic, petrol mechanic, tire man, foreman, AC technicians, those having the experience into PMB. Then we want car washer, painters, helpers, and all. If anyone interested, please submit their CV or visit our Chennai office for the shortlisting purpose. And once interview dates confirm, our team will let you know. Friend, this is again one of the leading contracting company in Kuwait, and we have that North Kuwait KOC project. We need all the candidates for their maintenance refineries. We need all the people into maintenance, ENI, and other general categories. Like we want the maintenance engineer, electrical engineer, instrument engineer. All experience should be in maintenance. Then we want instrument technician, electrical technician, senior technicians, mechanic, all the experience we want into mechanical, instrument, and electrical side. All candidates should have maintenance background. Plus, we want the welders, fitters, fabricators, scaffolders. Then we have the in that company we need the drivers, draftsmen, GRP pipe fitters, welders. Lot of openings we have in this KOC project. If anyone interested, please visit our office for the shortlisting. We are doing this interview in Chennai, Cochin, and Bombay. Three locations we are doing this interview. All these three locations shortlisting is going on. If anyone interested, please visit our office or submit their CV, or they can mail us your profile so that we will shortlist your profile and will call you for the interview once the date and venue will be confirmed. Friend, this is for Descon offshore requirement, and we have client virtual interview on 9th September. We are doing this interview in Chennai, Cochin, Bombay, all our branches as well as in our Bombay head office. And we need pipe fitter, fabricators, bulk number. Then we need welders, wall fitters, riggers, millwright technician, fire watchers, wall technicians, instrument technicians, fitters, electricians, hole watchers, fire watchers. This all openings we have. If anyone interested, please visit our office prior to the interview so that we can shortlist your CV. And when you shortlisted candidate, we can call for the final round of interview. This is the free recruitment 5 to 6 month project. Company offers very good salary plus free food, accommodation, transport. Everything will be given by the company. Friend, this is again Babani requirement, and we have this interview tomorrow at Kolkata. We are doing this interview at Q1 Technical Institute, and we are looking for large number of fitters, fabricators, structural fitter. Basically, we want. Then we want 3G MIG welder, CNC machine operators, spray painter, touch-up painters, and general helpers. This company is very good. They are giving you employment visa plus free food, accommodation, transport, everything they will provide. If anyone interested, they can go tomorrow at our Kolkata office and attend this interview. Then, friends, we have this requirement for Russia, and we have this interview on 8 September to 13 September. एक वीक के लिए कंटिन्यूसली इसके इंटरव्यूज हैं अनुपटेक 4 to 1 में. इसमें हमें मिग वेल्डिंग की रिक्वायरमेंट है जो 2G 3G एंड 4G पोजीशन में वेल्डिंग कर सके. टोटल हमें 100 नंबर्स की रिक्वायरमेंट है और 6 दिन कंटिन्यूसली इसके इंटरव्यू चलेंगे. अगर किसी भी कैंडिडेट को इंटरेस्टेड है वो 8 तारीख 9 10 11 12 13 इनमें से किसी भी दिन आ सकते हैं. मैक्सिमम 10 to 15 कैंडिडेट्स को हम टेस्ट के लिए अलाउ करेंगे. तो अगर आप मॉर्निंग में जितना जल्दी हो सके है उतना अच्छा है, तो हम ट्राई करेंगे सेम डे आपको इसके वेल्डिंग टेस्ट दे दें, या तो फिर हम आपको कूपन बना के नेक्स्ट डे या थर्ड डे के अपॉइंटमेंट देंगे. उसके हिसाब से इसका इंटरव्यू होगा. कंपनी काफी अच्छी है, शिप बिल्डिंग प्रोजेक्ट है, शिप मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनी है ये, और रसिया इसके जॉब लोकेशन है. कंपनी आपको अच्छी डिसेंट सैलरी देंगी प्लस आपको इसमें फूड अलाउंस जो रूबल्स में रहती है वो मिलेंगे, और फ्री फूड के भी ऑप्शन है, प्लस रहना खाना सारी जो फैसिलिटीज है कंपनी आपको प्रोवाइड करेंगे. और भी डिटेल्स हम इंटरव्यू में आपको क्लियर करेंगे प्रायर टू दिस ट्रेड टेस्ट एंड ऑल. So if anyone interested, please come directly at Anup Tech for this interview. सेम कंपनी के जो रिमेनिंग रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं, जैसे कि हमें प्लेटर, फिटर, फैब्रिकेटर्स, ग्राइंडर, गैस कटर, electricians and storekeeper, marker and supervisor, those having the ship building experience. इसके जो इंटरव्यू होंगे 9 और 10 तारीख को होंगे सेम वेन्यू पे. अगर anyone interested, they can come on 9th and 10th and attend this interview. Friend, this is for our QCon requirement, and we have this interview on 7th September at our Chennai office. And this is one of the leading project, NGL project, and we need all the candidate supervisors, engineers, and above supervisors categories. We are looking for area coordinators, then engineers in all stream in designing, piping, planning, QC, safety, and all. Then we want all the supervisors and superintendent into electrical, instrument, static equipment, rotating, hydro testing, instrument, electrical, mechanical, everything. We want supervisors and superintendent. Shortlisting is in process, but if anyone directly want to attend this interview, they can come on 7th in our Chennai office. We have face-to-face interview. They can attend this interview, and it's 100% free recruitment. It's a short-term project. Once you're selected, immediately we'll initiate your visa. So 7th, we have client face-to-face interview. Then, friends, we have one more requirement, and 6th September at Chennai, we have this client final interview. We have requirement of civil design engineer, electrical design engineer, piping design engineer, senior process design engineer, instrument design engineer, planning design engineer, SP3D modeler, and draftsman, mechanical, civil, electrical, and instrument. Basically, it's one of the means designing the department. They need all this manpower, and this is very good company in Kuwait. They gives very good salary plus free food, accommodation, transport, everything they will provide you. And yeah, we have this interview on 6th. If anyone interested, they can go and attend this interview. Friends, we have one more requirement for one of the leading switchgear panel board manufacturing company, and we have virtual interview as well as we have client face-to-face interview at Chennai and Cochin. And we are looking for control panel technicians, electrical technicians, sheet metal fabricators. Basically, this company are into business of making panel boards, and we need all the electrician who work into the panel, means do the internal wiring of the panel and all. And all the candidates should have a minimum 2 to 3 years of experience. They must know how to do the wire cutting, how to read the drawings and all this thing. And if anyone interested, please visit our Chennai, Cochin, or Bombay office for the shortlisting. Once you selected, immediately company will give you a visa, and we will mobilize you maximum 1 week time. Company gives very good salary plus the food allowance they are giving you, and free accommodation and transport they will provide you. Then, friends, we have this requirement for Equate project, and it's a short-term project plus long-term project. Both we need manpower. We have requirement for scaffolding supervisors, safety officers, foreman scaffolding. Salary already we mentioned. Apart from the salary, they are giving you free food, accommodation, and transport. We have both the requirement, long-term and short-term. And if it is short-term, then it's a free recruitment. Long-term, minimum fees you need to pay plus Gamka medical you have to do for long term. Short term, no need for any medical. Only you need to make a PCC, and after selection, immediately you have to make PCC and we'll deploy you. If anyone interested, please visit our Bombay office or any of the branches. We will shortlist your CV and we'll proceed next round of virtual interview. Friend, this is for the QCon requirement again, and we have client interview on 12th September. Basically, this is QCon technician and below technician requirements we have. And client interview on 12th September at Anuptech 421 is a free recruitment, and we need large number of pipe fitter, fabricator, fitter, insulator, hydrojeters. Then technician we want analyzer, electrical, environment, hydro testing, instrument, mechanical, NDT, PWHT. Then torquing technician, wall technician. A lot of requirements we have in this company. So if anyone interested, please visit directly on 12th September for the attending this interview. And the company gives very good salary plus free food, accommodation, transport, everything given by the company. This is again our DESCON offshore requirement for Abu Dhabi. We have this interview on 9th September at our Bombay office. Shortlisting in its process. If anyone interested, please visit our office for the shortlisting. When the shortlisted candidate, we will call for this interview. Friend, this is one of the consolidated requirement. We have the 3-4 interviews continuously here in Bombay. For example, on 12th September, we have QCon interview for shutdown. Then at September, we have Mabani interview at Anup Tech. Then we have Russia interview from 8 September to 13 September. So all back-to-back interview we have here in Bombay. Interview venue will be Anup Tech 421. So if anyone interested, please go through all this requirement. If any friends, your colleagues, anyone are interested, you can refer this requirement to them. All candidates are most welcome for this interview. Okay, Mr. HSN, I want to know about warehouse overseas job. Mr. HSN, we have a lot of requirement for warehouse. If you are interested, please visit our Bombay office along with your CV. Mohammad Kajami, campus position. Mohammed, as of now, we don't have any requirement for campus, but you go through our all the requirements. You follow us on our all the social media platform. If anything is there, accordingly you can forward your resume. Kanaya, yes, we have requirement for planning engineer oil and gas. Kindly forward your resume. Mr. Fahim Ansari, yes, we have few requirement for HSC manager. Uh, Please forward your resume so that we will go through your profile and will propose you any new requirement which match with your job criteria. Pramod Kumar Shah, yes, we have requirement for storekeeper. Please, you come along with your CV here in our Bombay office. Gaur Ghosh, you are the mechanical engineer storage tank. Mr. Gaur, we have requirement for mechanical engineers. Please forward your resume so that our consultant will review your CV and our team will get back to you. Mr. Umesh Chand Yadav, we have requirement for forklift operator with the Saudi license. Yes, we have requirement. Please forward your resume, Mr. Umesh. Mr. Siddiqui, is there any vacancy for safety officer? Yes, Mr. Siddiqui, we have many requirement for safety officers and we need NIBOS approved safety officer in our many project. Please forward your resume. You are Mr. Sehbaz Hussain, BE Mechanical Engineering, 12 years experience into substation project. Mr. Sehbaz, I would request you personally visit our Bombay office, meet our technical guy, technical consultant. He will advise you for which job is suitable for you. Okay, viewers, I'll see you next week. Till then, take care. Goodbye.
A big thank you to Mr. Lalit for joining us today and helping us conducting this session very smooth. For those who would like to visit us in person, our Mumbai headquarter address is on your screen. Our branch's detail is now on your screen, which is a Baroda branch. Their address, email address, and contact details is on your screen. Delhi detail is also on your screen. Vizag and Kolkata. Kochi and Chennai. Also, don't miss out to join this exclusive QR code, which we have saw online right now. The opportunities you can simply scan the QR code and just apply for the positions you wish to apply. Thank you all viewers for joining us today, and you can find us all our branches and contact details on our website. For the application you want to apply for any job, simply click on the apply button located at the top right corner where you can upload your CV based on our requirement. At Seagull, we take pride in having 80 to 90% of candidate approaches directly without any middle person. So stay connected on our social media pages and engage with us directly. Remember, we hold these sessions every Friday at 3 p.m. We also have sessions in regional languages, so stay tuned for more update. Thank you once again and see you all next week.